In class 9th, we studied alkane in some detail. Alkanes are depicted by the general formula RH. Okay, so here R means we take the carbon. Okay, H means hydrogen. Understand? So R will represent, here RH means R can say alkane or alkene. Okay, alkene or alkyne. Okay, so R represents the root group. R represents the alkane or alkyne. H is the hydrogen. Okay, so this is the formula. General formula is RH. When hydrogen atom is removed from a alkane, then the group of formed is referred to as the alkyl group. For example, we have the CH4. So CH4 means what? Methane. If you have the science textbook class 9th, you take this chapter is chapter 15, hydrocarbons, page 220. Okay, so here CH4 is what? CH4 is the methane. Understand? CH4 is the methane, and then if one hydrogen is removed. Okay, removed means now it is called as a CH3. Now it is the alkane. If the one hydrogen is removed means it becomes a alkyne. Okay, it becomes a alkyne. So we call it as now what? Methyl. Okay, methyl. Alkyne, kyne na, so methyl. Alkane, ane, so methane. Understand? If one hydrogen is removed means CH3. So it is the methyl group. So CH4 formula is what? RH. RH. Okay, if one hydrogen is removed means we write the formula like minus RH. That means minus CH3. Okay, methyl. Understand? Underline all these points, write all these things side by. So, for example, when a hydrogen atom is removed from a methane, CH4, and we get methyl minus CH3, and it is removed from the C2H5. C2H5 means what? Ethane. 2 carbons means ethane. 1 carbon means methane. Okay, C2H5. Sorry, H5. So, 1 carbon is removed. Actually, C2H6. 1 carbon removed means C2H5. This is the alkane. This is alkyne. Okay. So, these are the things. And the properties of carbon compounds determined by these alkyl group or by some other group. Let us explore. That means let us understand. Okay. So some functional groups seen in the carbonic compounds. Understand? Some functional groups are seen in the carbonic compounds. So functional groups means some working groups. Some groups are attached to the alkanes or alkenes or alkynes. That groups are aldehyde. Aldehyde means we add the CHO. Okay, aldehyde means what? We add the CHO. And then ketone. Ketone means we add C double bond and O. Carboxylic acid means COOH. Okay, and halogens means chlorine, bromine. In the periodic table, if you take means for example, I think group 17 are halogens, na? Chlorine, bromine, iodine in star ending. Okay, halogens, they are called as a halogens. Chlorine, bromine. Understand? So for example, here they have given some examples. Okay, so here CH3H7. CH3H7 is the which group? 3 carbons means it is the propane. So C3H7 is the propyne. Okay, propyl. Propyl. So for this they added the functional group. This which one? OH. Okay. If the OH is added means it is what? Aldehyde. Okay. Aldehyde. If the chlorine is added means it is the halogens. And sorry, it is not the aldehyde. OH added means it is the alcohol. Okay. CH added means aldehyde. And then COOH added means acid. Understand? So here how to read means the 3 carbons means it is what? Propane. Okay, propyl. So CH3H7OH means how to read this one? We have to read this one as a aldehyde, na? OH is added, alcohol, okay? So we read it as a propanol, okay? Propanol. And if we adding the chlorine means propane chloride, okay? C4, na? C4 means what? 4 carbons means it is butane, okay? Butyl chloride, C4H9, understand? Propyl chloride. Then CH3CHO means we have to read this one as a, okay, so ketone, na? And CH3COOH means acid, okay? So this one we read it as a propanone, okay? Propanone. Then COOH means acid, C5 means 5 pentane, na? So pentanoic acid, okay? So these are the functional groups adding at the end of the root group, alkene or alkyl group, okay? So these are the functional groups. So write the names of the compounds formed by joining OH functional group to ethyl or propyl groups respectively, understand? So this is the one. So here you just write OH adding means what? It is alcohol, right side by alcohol. If the Cl means adding means it is the halogens, okay, carbon. CHO adding means it is the aldehyde, okay, aldehyde. And OH means COOH, it means it is the acid. COOH means it is the acid, understand? So this is the one. So next one, name the compound formed when Br and COH is added to the methyl group, okay? If the Br is added to the methyl group means how do we call them? So for example we take C2H5, it is the ethane, added the bromine, okay, ethyl bromine, okay? And the next one, if it is added to the OH, okay, so C2H5COOH, okay? So like that adding COOH means it is the acid, understand? So one more thing, you must have heard about caustic soda. The chemical formula of caustic soda is NaOH, sodium hydroxide, understand? Sodium hydroxide, and which means that sodium is joined to OH group. Sodium is joined to OH group. This OH group, when it is joined to the carbons only, it is the alcohol. If it is not joining to the root group of the alkane or alkyne, it is not the alcohol group. So it is the base, NaOH, okay? So if one hydrogen atom of methane CH4 is replaced by OH group, then we get alcohol group. For example, CH4 is there. So one H is replaced by another H. That means we write here now CH3OH. CH4 means it is the methane. CH3 means it is the methyl. So methane, OH added, na? So AN is replaced by all. Methanol, all means alcohol. When the carbon and hydrogen is there, for this if the OH is added means that means it is the alcohol. When we read it as a methanol, okay? So this is the one. Draw the electron dot structure of two compounds given below. What is the type of bond joining Na plus and OH? In NaOH, and that between CH3 and OH, okay? So this is the one. And the next one we study about the difference between the NaOH and COOH. Okay. For our observation, our understanding of the nature of chemical bond, ionic bond and sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide NaOH is the ionic bond, and the next one methyl alcohol, that means CH3OH is the covalent bond. Okay, so we can see that both the compounds have, this also has the OH group, this also has the OH group, but their works are different. NaOH has the hydroxide ion, OH ion. This is the ion, Na plus OH minus. But CH3OH has the hydroxyl group. In the sodium hydroxide, this OH group we call it as a hydroxide ion. But in the methanol CH3OH, this OH group is called as a hydroxyl group, not hydroxyl ion. Okay, hydroxide and hydroxyl, because methyl na. So since methyl alcohol is a carbonic compound, therefore OH acts as a functional group. Its nature of two substances depends upon the root group. Root group means CH3 is the root group. So CH3 means methyl. If for this, if the OH is added, means it is the methanol. So OH is the hydroxyl. Okay, not the hydroxide, because it is added to where? Added to the methyl. Understand? So when an alkyl group bonds with OH, a functional group, then the resulting compound is known as alcohol or alkyl, alcohol or alkanol. For example, in the OH group is added to the alkyl group, methyl alkyl group. Okay, added. So this one we can read it as a methyl alcohol, or we can also read it as a alkanol, or we also can read it as a methanol. Okay,